Hey everybody, this is Antonio Michael. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about some other items I picked up today. I picked up a bunch yesterday. Excuse me. So these I got at Harbor Freight. Fluid line clamp set. It is part number 65116. I got this Pittsburgh Pro 1 4/3/8 half-inch drive thumb wheel ratchet set, which is part number 94011. I got a couple of these lights, which not sure what the part number on these are. Part number is 63922. I got a 4-inch piston ring compressor. It is item number or part number 97709. I got this long reach 6-inch digital caliper. It is item number, part number 63714. I got this 12-inch digital caliper, which is item number 63713. I got this long reach locking pair of pliers, which is item number 97609. I got this telescoping blowgun attachment. It is item number 68261. I got this 4 set of tongue and groove joint pliers, or channel locks. This 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and a 12-inch. And it's item number 60817. I got this Braun truck light. It is item number, if I can find it, 63990. What I got at Sears today is these 2 hammers, which are flex claw hammers, which the 18-ounce hammer is item number 950845, and the 24-ounce is item 911231. And then if you pick it up and I give you an example, you push this pin in and you could rotate the claw. And both of them do that. This was just bigger. And then I got these Craftsman 6-piece spring clamp assortment. It's 931493. And then I got that big clamp right there, which is as a reverse and forward. It is a bar clamp. It is a 36-inch by 3.5-inch opening, and it is part number 931487. And then I got one other gun attachment, which I have to go find that real quick. Alright, so this is the second part. This is the one I left in my truck. There's that one right there. And then this is a 2-foot extended blowgun I got from Harbor Freight. And it is item number 68257. So, a collective of all the things I got today, which I believe it was a total of like 290 bucks or something like that. And I will, if I can find it, I'll read off the receipt to you. So the 15-inch long reach locking pliers was $9.99. The fluid line clamp set 4-pack was $7.99. The 4-inch piston ring compressor was $9.99. The 3-piece thumb wheel ratchet set was $6.36. The 4-piece tongue groove joint or channel lock pliers set was $13.99. The air blowgun with 2-foot extension was $3.99. The 200 lumen LED flip light switches, I got 2 of them, they were $4.29 a piece. The 20-inch telescoping blowgun was $6.99, which the 2-foot one was actually cheaper than the 20-inch one. And then the 6-inch long reach caliper was $24.99. And the 12-inch digital caliper was $49.99, and I got $10 off with a 20% coupon, and it was $39.99. And then the 845 lumen under the hood work light was $39.99. And the Harbor Freight, it was $186. The Craftsman hammers, the large 24-ounce hammer was actually supposed to be $49.99, and the 18-ounce hammer was $29.99, and I got the 18-ounce for $10, and I got the 24-ounce for $20 or $19.99. This spring clamp assortment I got for $10, which I ended up getting a coupon off, like 10%. And then this was originally, this bar clamp was originally $39.99, and I only paid $21 for it. And thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and if you like these videos, let me know. And have a wonderful rest of your day.